American Tower Company muri Uganda yashobora Hoima Public Library yatunga computer 20 eziri aha Omutimbagano ekiri kuza kuyambaho obukutumbura eby'obwegyese umutange eki
taho eno digital community ejja kuba neyamba buli muntu wena gonzoli mukaikuru buli mwana muto oli hasomero oli ha university tukubeta muiche musome abo kwa tujja kuteka hano computer course eyabusa twena kusasura gonze ne kikumi kimu computer course eno kuba negenda mwezi gumu kwija buli kiro no soma umwezi guhwereho nitukuhereza computer certificate ekuba nekuyamba kuba nomanya ebintu bya computer ensi ya Uganda enu ko kumugirora buli muntu wena kuba na aina kumanya ekibakweta computer.
Dorothy ayonjera yishoborangu enkwatanisa yabo n'ekitongole kya Airtel neza kuyambaho okushagika entunguka ombya teknoloji yo mwihanga lyona kugira ngo beine enteekateeka y'okukora ekintu nk'eki ombyanga ebirikuhingana munano mwihanga lyona.
As a start of several digital communities that will be launching over the next 3 months, we'll roll out at least 8 across Uganda.
Rajesh Agwelo wa Airtel Uganda yashobora kwenkwatanisa egi kuza kushagika ebyentunguko mwihanga ombye sente hamwe no kongera guhereza emyeto ya Uganda obukugu butari bumwe na bumwe.
Put the digital center here at the library, and this place is now equipped to provide the latest technology, to provide the communication technology, to provide the internet services, and also the learning, the e-learning, which is called the electronic learning now for the people here.
Badru Mugabi or RCC or Remboro Hoima amena Uthman Mugisha or chairperson w'entebe ya katano wa district ya Hoima bahiga abaturage amena abantu ba Hoima abatari bamwe na bamwe okozesa computers okurebeka ngo bahindura amagara gabo beitu teriho nabezi okongera manu mby'emishomo yabo.
Few locals from this city and the catchment benefited from the MOOC because of limitations of accessing the internet. Not just internet, but stable internet. I am cognizant that Airtel has dedicated 10 Mbps unlimited and all the time. So we have very stable and strong and fast internet right here. So this is going to be the first of its kind.
Bakufuna amagezi gano akuturaninga computer most times abakusaba gaba secretaries abayisikina abasajja bagwina kuwina computer knowledge no sakukolesa computer nabasomesa inakuwa sakukolesa computer newe wekyaro ko tukusanga abantu baje kutandika business kutaito mu kyaro ko nagamba ko business kama kusala music kora no sanga na wadde end of the day kira kuikara mu kyaro ikali at the end of the day so eri program nungi hali abeminyeto bayina kuyija niwe iruka muno mu wingi kufuna amagezi gano habo ko tikaliga kusasula
training no kwa certificates abana mu short computer courses rundi kwesa computer kora milimeter italium name umuntu ajja kuba aina skills rundi aina obukwawukana akusa kukara computer nasobora ku designing ekintu katugambe nasa ku designing certificates rundi invitation cards na itandikire ekintu kya customer kuba ina computer ina nambira kolera akusa kutandikira omulimo ogwaye kandi nayo kurapuraniza kitunga kasenta kakumubesa
2 1
bakoraga gashakwa gada saba aba Sky TV agenshonga umurembo wa Hoima.